In this tip, I'm going to show you how to create a marginal histogram. Marginal histograms are a great choice when you want to display your data at different levels of aggregation in a single view. You can think of a marginal histogram as a heat map, with a histogram to the side and to the top of the heat map. Each graph provides a frequency distribution. In this example, I'm going to show you how to create a marginal histogram that displays the frequency of the number of taxi rides in New York City by weekday and hour for January of 2020. The first part of building our histogram is to make sure that we have the heat map in the middle. I'm going to right click and drag pickup date time to the columns, and I'm going to pick weekday. I'm going to right click and drag pickup date time to the rows, and I'm going to pick hour. On either one of these fields, I'm going to go ahead and choose the Show Missing Values option. What that means is if, say for example, I don't have any taxi rides for 9 o'clock, then it'll still show the number 9 in this view. Let's then take the number of taxi trips and put that onto color, and we have our histogram. So next, we want to do the histogram that points out to the right. So I'm going to right click and drag pickup date time to the rows, and I'm going to choose hour. I'm going to then put the number of trips on the columns, change the mark type to a bar, and put that same field onto color. Lastly, we want to go ahead and create the histogram for the top. So I'm going to right click and drag pickup date time to the columns, pick weekday, put my count onto the rows, change the mark type to a bar, and then put the count onto the color as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little border on these because the light ones were a bit hard to see. So now what I want to do is I want to put these 3 sheets together into a dashboard. I'm going to start by holding Shift and dragging in a vertical container, and I'm going to make it the same size as my dashboard. So in the Layout tab, I'm going to make it X and Y 0, and the width and the height should match my visualization. So 600 wide, 800 tall. And I'm going to set maybe some inner padding of perhaps something like 20 pixels. So now I'm going to drag in a text box because this is going to be my title. So let's call this When Do New Yorkers Take Taxi Rides? Okay, let's maybe make that 18 point, something like that. And now I need to go ahead and drag in a horizontal container. And below that, I'm going to put in a blank. Now this blank is just going to be a placeholder for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and set the background color to yellow, just so I can see where it is. Now in this top section, I'm going to go ahead and put in my top sheet, and I'm going to put in a blank next to it. Below that container, I'm going to stick another container, and this is going to have my main sheet and my right sheet. Okay, I'm done with this blank object, so I'm going to go ahead and kill that. And I'm going to make sure all my charts are set to fit entire view. Okay, and I'm going to hide the titles for each of them. Now notice how the 0 hours, or the hours, line up nice and neat until we get down to the bottom. That's because I have this header on my column, so I'm going to right click on that and uncheck Show Header. And now my hours line up nice and neat, and the hour number I want to leave on the left hand side here, so I'm just going to right click on one of them in my hours chart, and I'm going to uncheck Show Header. Okay, so those look pretty good, and maybe I'll make this slightly wider. So I'm going to edit the width, and let's maybe make it 150 pixels. Now this container at the top, I need these to be the same size as these two. So this container, or this blank object, I'm going to edit the width, and I'm going to make it 150 to match this bar chart. And then on this view, I need my weekdays to line up. So I'm going to drag the edge of this axis over ever so slightly, and then drag this one over to match it. So I'm going to drag it over and drag it back again. Okay. To make this look a bit nicer, I'm going to format my weekdays to the abbreviation. And now we have our marginal histogram. Notice I still have this extra stuff in the background, so I'm going to go to my Layout tab, go down to this tiled section, right-click, remove from dashboard, and then delete containers. And there you have it. This is a marginal histogram. Hope you found that useful. Have a great day.